Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. And this is your question of the day. So, somebody asked me, what are the legal terms for a watermark? Okay. A watermark is a mark people put on their photographs to inform you, usually like who the photographer is, who the copyright holder is, things of that nature to remind you that you maybe don't have permission to use the photo unless you've bought a license. In my free time, I run races, and so they often have photographers there. They take photos, post them online afterwards. If you want to, so when you look at those photos, it'll have some type of watermark on it, whether it's the scrolling kind or just the static kind. And if you buy a license, you will get a digital file of that photo that you're allowed to use per the terms of the license. And that watermark, like the big one across it, will be removed, and there's probably something at the bottom acknowledging who the photographer was. So there are times when people remove watermarks without permission. So, you find a photo online, they want to use it, but they either crop off or they somehow remove the watermark. That's a bad idea, because when you remove a watermark, you could be committing copyright infringement and an additional violation for removing the copyright information, which can be fined, where if you are sued, you could be fined an additional $25,000 for removing this information. So, a lot of people ask, should I put watermarks on my photographs or not? That's really a personal decision. You don't have to. It's a good idea to put a notice on your photos of who the copyright holder is, if all rights are reserved, or if it is available for use or available to purchase a license. And whether you do that in text or with a watermark, that's your prerogative. So, but having a watermark on your photos can create an additional level of protection. It'll at least keep people like me who don't have the ability, who don't have the technical skills to easily remove a watermark, from using your work without permission. Not that I would ever do that, but somebody of my skill might. And then if someone actually is putting in the time and energy to remove your watermark, to use your photo without permission, that could be an additional violation to just copyright infringement. So anyway, I get a lot of questions about photographs and photograph use. I'm always happy to answer those types of questions. So feel free to shoot me an email or leave your question below. I can provide general information. I cannot give legal advice except to people who have engaged me and the firm as a client. So I'm going to put that out there. But I hope this has been helpful for you. I put out new content every week, so feel free to subscribe to the channel. Greatly appreciate it. And I think until then, I will catch up with you later. Take care.